Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make spring earrings using dried flowers. For this project, you will need a UV lamp, an electric nail drill, thick resin, and earring posts. To start working with resin, place the flowers on a plastic sheet to keep your surface clean. Then pour thick resin onto the surface. Now gently spread the resin over the surface with a brush, and apply a little resin slightly beyond the edges of the flower as well. If you'd like, you can check out my previous tutorial. The link is in the description, to learn another method for making resin earrings with dried flowers. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. I dried these flowers in the simplest way. I placed them between the pages of a notebook or a book. You can use any drying method you prefer. Now cure the resin with a UV lamp for about 2 minutes. After curing, gently remove them from the plastic sheet. Then apply resin to the back surfaces as well and cure again. Our flowers have turned out like this, and now it's time for sanding. Because this piece is delicate, I chose the sandpaper grit for sanding. It will help me work carefully and keep all the details intact. As you can see, while sanding, I carefully added tiny air indentations that follow the petal shape, giving the flowers a more beautiful and natural look. To attach the earring base, we need to make a small hole at the top. Alright, I've made the holes, and now it's time to connect the earrings to their bases using the jump rings. After drilling and sanding, I clean the surface with 96% alcohol. You can use any polish that is compatible with the resin you are using. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.